Welcome to the CapCut tutorial for beginners. Today, we'll explore all the fantastic features CapCut has to offer for your video editing journey. First, let's download and install CapCut. Simply head to your App Store, search for CapCut, and tap Download to begin. Once installed, open CapCut and you'll see the main interface. Let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the navigation. Now it's time to import your media. Tap on Import to bring in your videos, images, or audio files. Next, let's dive into basic editing. We will learn how to cut, trim, and split clips to get your video just right. To add flair to your video, explore the options to insert text, stickers, and filters. Let's make your video pop. Smooth transitions can elevate your video. Here's how to incorporate transitions and effects seamlessly. Audio is crucial in your videos. Let's look at how to add background music and voiceovers effectively. Once satisfied with your project, you'll want to export it. Here's how to get your video ready for sharing. To wrap up, here are some tips and tricks for efficient video editing with CapCut that will save you time and enhance your work.